Namaskar. Today we are going to learn about small picture card, presentation reading and non-reading plants. Okay, so I'm going to take out this picture. Here's the reading and non-reading picture. This is reading picture because there's the name here, and this is non-reading picture because it doesn't have name tag. I'm going to take this picture, one picture, and put on green mat. This is the picture of peas plant. Look, baby.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. This is a picture card of
Peas plant. Okay. Peasplant. Peas plant. I'm going to keep it here. Now take another one. Okay. So this is the picture of
beans plant.
Very good, baby. This is the picture of beans plant. So letters are BEANS. Beans, PLANT. Beans plant. Now I'm going to keep it here. Now take another one picture. This is the picture of bottle gourd. And the letters are BOTTLE. Bottle. GOURD. Bottle gourd. Okay. I'm going to keep it here. Now take another picture. This is the picture of eggplants and the letters are EGGAPLANT. Eggplant. I'm going to keep it here. Now take another picture. Okay, so which picture is this, baby?
This is a tomato plant, ma'am.
Very good. This is the tomato plant. Okay. The letters are TOMATOPLANT. Tomato plant. Okay. I'm going to put now non-reading picture below this reading pictures. Okay. So I just saw the picture. It's the picture of peas plant, baby. Look this. Is it? Cha, baby?
No, ma'am. This is a picture card of beans plant.
Okay, the show me where is the beans plant?
Here is the beans plant, ma'am.
Very good. I'm going to keep it here. Okay, let's see. This is the picture of bottle gourd. Is it correct picture of peas plant?
No, ma'am. Here is the picture card of bottle gourd.
Yes, I'm going to keep it here. This is the picture of eggplant. Is it correct picture of peas plant?
No, ma'am. This is a peas plant and this is an eggplant. So this one is the right.
Okay, I'm going to keep it here. Okay, baby. Continue this lesson.
Okay, now this is a picture card of tomato plants and here is the picture card of the tomato plant. So we place it here. And the last one is the peas plant and this is the peas plant. We place it here.
Okay, so I'm going to take one name tag. This is the name tag. So it's TOMATO, tomato. PLANT, tomato plant. Can you show me where's the tomato plant?
Yes, ma'am. Here is the tomato plant.
Okay, baby, can you read it and put it correct below this correct picture?
Okay, ma'am. BEANS, beans. PLANT, plant. Beans plant. So here is the picture card of the black beans plant. Now we place it here, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to take another name tag. This is the name tag of EGG, egg, PLANT, eggplant. So me, baby, where's the eggplant?
Here is the eggplant, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to keep it here. Okay. Okay, this is the name tag of bottle gourd. BOTTLEGOURD. Bottle gourd. I'm going to keep it here. Like this way, you have to put this all name tag below this non-reading pictures. Okay, let's. So tell me, baby, this is peas plant.
This is a peas plant.
This is beans plant.
This is a beans plant.
This is bottle gourd.
This is a bottle gourd.
This is eggplant.
This is eggplant.
And this is tomato.
And this is tomato plant.
Any confusion, baby?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so यो तरिकाले हजुरले एक्सचेन्ज गरेर राखेर र्यान्डमली गेमको जस्तो गरेर पनि बेबीलाई सोध्न सक्नुहुन्छ धन्यवाद